Okay, so this is a full-size folding keyboard and mouse. I've done Samsers before. They actually have real high-quality keyboards and mice. These are not the cheapo run-of-the-mill from the gas station style. These are good. The other one is amazing, but this one is even more amazing because it includes a mouse and two different connections that you can connect to the different computers, up to three. So you have two Bluetooth connections and one with the USB connector or receiver and all that good stuff. Record every inspiration. That's actually a really cool one. Let me take it out of here and just see what's inside. This packaging, let me tell you, I feel like I just bought something really expensive. By the way, I didn't buy it. It was sent to me, but feels like that. Like you bought something really high-end. Even the envelope, I don't know what's in it yet. It's actually that kind of expensive paper stuff. Quick start guide, of course. And here's the stuff. Whoa, look at this bag. Let me take it out real quick. This is something else. Look at that. This box, I think I'm gonna keep. I'm not a box keeper, but this one is actually too cool not to keep. Come on. It's nice and built really cool. I like this stuff. And here, let me open the envelope first. What does it say? If it's something that I can show on camera, though. Don't forget that. I have to read it first. Oh, we have stuff. Samsers warranty card. This is cool. A thank you card from Samsers. Haha, this is really cool. And of course, you have the folding Bluetooth and mouse set user's manual. This is really cool. Haha. Okay, so this is the star of the show here, and that's what makes Samsers different from other keyboards. They include one of these thingies right here, which is a stand for either a phone or a small tablet, whatnot that you might have, just like in all their keyboards. Look at that. You put it here, and you can throw in your tablet, for example. Boom, look at that. So tablet is resting on it. This is the mouse. This is cool. And the mouse is rechargeable as well, just like the keyboard. And here is your connector. It's a USB connector that you can plug to a computer, or otherwise you can connect it via Bluetooth. As you see, you have the options right here, off and on. And the USB-C for charging is not underneath like some other mice that you might have seen in the past. It's here on top. That is where the charger for the mouse should be. You know, just saying. I don't know who did that. I'm just saying what I heard. And this is the keyboard itself. But first, let me pull this. Should be the charger. Just the USB Type A to Type C connector for charging both devices if you need to, which of course you will need. Okay, yeah, just normal. Here's the keyboard itself. Wow, I'm loving this carrying case. Really beautiful. So let me put this on the side, and let me take this paperwork on the side too. So, wow. Oh, it's just like the first one. So when you unfold, as you see, this leather somehow goes up there, and when you fold it back, look at that, it retracts in both sides. This is a full keyboard, including the number pad. Wow. So let me show you a little bit better. Look at this. Come on. Not sure how much you can see there, but look at the quality. It's really beautiful. And the hinges are actually metallic, both of them. Well, four of them in this case. Look at that. And when it folds, boom, just like that. It's ready to go. Here's your USB-C for charging the keyboard, the turn on and off button. There's nothing else on the other side. And I just love this fold and unfold style like that. It's so cool. Look at what happens. Look at that, how the leather retracts and expands. Look. Come on, this is cool. And here's the mouse, of course. So they're both a combo. That's why it's called a combo. And the mouse is actually really good quality. This is your charging port for the mouse, by the way, like I said. The yellow scroll wheel, and this is where you change the pointer speed on this button. And this is where you switch the input and output and all that good stuff. Turn it on. This is right now on this USB thingy here that we're gonna undo from here and plug it on some laptop or computer or whatnot. And as well, we're going to connect it to a different device. So I'm going to connect 2 or 3 different devices at once, just to show you that you can put this combo to use with multiple different devices. So let's do it. Instead of talking, let's go in and do some doing. Okay, so we have some really good news, or interesting news, I should say. We have 3 different devices with completely 3 different operating systems. This, if I can get on this side, this is a Windows machine, Windows 11, but it works the same Windows 10, whatever, right? This is an Android tablet, and this is a Linux laptop. So let me just hit this one, for example. Look, on the Linux, right? It's too reflective, this screen, so that's why I don't like reflective screens. But look at that. The mouse is working. I can just do whatever I want. Well, on the machine. And look, the typing. Samsers. Boom, boom, just like that. But for example, I want to just go really quick from there to this one right here. Well, this one right here is my Bluetooth 1. In the keyboard, I just click 1 and boom. Let me enter the tablet and we're inside the tablet now. Look at that. Boom. Just like that. And if I want to switch the mouse to this one as well, well, I have the mouse registered on that number 1 Bluetooth as well. Right here, and go to the second one. Boom. Look at that. I can use the mouse and anything that I want. Look at that. How cool is that? Just by using on one keyboard and mouse combo. Now, this was for the Android. Let's go to Windows. Now, Windows, I use the 3rd type of connection with a USB dongle thing that it comes with. Well, all I need to do on the keyboard, as you see, for example, first one is the USB connection, then it's Bluetooth 1 and Bluetooth 2, which in my case, Bluetooth 2 is this one, Bluetooth 1 is this one, and the dongle is this one. I click the dongle right there and it switches the light to the USB dongle. Let me click. Oh, look at that. It went to this one right away. That easy. That simple and easy. But now I want to switch the mouse to the dongle as well. Well, that's very easy. You click here, as you see, it's still connected there. Click this one and the first one is the dongle. Boom. Look at that. So we have everything ready to work. Look at that. So 3 different operating systems with the same mouse and keyboard combo. This is actually amazing. So you don't need to have a million keyboards and stuff. Especially for me, this is extremely useful because a lot of times I do different tests and different works on different devices, and instead of pulling other keyboards and mouse, I can just simply switch between them with a press of a button. And yes, I tested. They work as well on Apple. If you have I don't know, MacBook or iPhone or iPad or all that, as long as you can connect it to a Bluetooth or the USB dongle, you are good to go. Let me switch there really quick again just to show you that it actually is that easy. Number 2 is right there. Boom. As you see, connected right away. Look, without a single hiccup. And number 2, the mouse. We go light. This is number 2. Connected right away. Look, so you can just do whatever you have to do. Look at that. This is cool. And we have number 1 right here. Click the button again. Let me go to number 1. This is number 1, the tablet. Look at that. So I can change things here if I wanted to. And switch the keyboard to number 1 as well. That easy. Boom. And you are good to go. Look at that. That is how a keyboard and mouse combo is actually supposed to be. To simply work seamless. And what Samsers did here is absolutely amazing. Because they simply work on any device, any platform. And yes, in case you're wondering, I will be using this Samsers keyboard and mouse actually as my daily drivers. Not that I have any problem with the ones I have. I have a SteelSeries Apex 3. I love it, but I need the ability to have this keyboard and mouse combo connected to my 2 other stations, because I have one station that I do data recovery and I have another station that I use mostly for AI and training and that kind of stuff. Plus, of course, my main machine that I edit these videos and all this stuff. So that will cover all my 3 devices with one single mouse and keyboard combo. Plus, when I travel, I usually get my laptop with me. Well, I'll keep it connected to that too. So I simply, when I need to travel, turn off this one here, throw it in my bag, and boom, we are ready to go. How hard was that? Look at that. And of course, again, I really love the traveling case that it comes with. It's a real beauty. Look at that. Looks almost like carbon fiber, but it's not. But it's just, I gotta say, Samsers, you really outdid yourself in this one. Did a really good job. They turn it on really quick. Yep. Really did a great job with these ones because they simply work as intended. And that's all you need. And here, let me switch it to Windows again, just so you know. It was the dongle there. Let me switch this one to the dongle right here. Boom, look at that. We are ready to go. And as you see, the mouse or the cursor move here. Click the button here. You get it slower. Click it again faster. Click it again very fast. And you can get back to slow. Usually this middle is where I feel comfortable with mine. That depends on how you like your mouse or pointer speed to work. I just love it this way. Samsers, thank you a million for sending this over. Absolutely love it. Again, this is the full-size folding KM01 from Samsers. And no, this is not me shilling for them, but they actually do a good job. And when somebody does a good job, I just like to let you all know that they did it. So link will be down on description for them. This link is not a sponsored link between me and Samsers or any of that. It is just an affiliate link between me and Amazon. So I make a few pennies if you decide to buy through that link. Otherwise, I really appreciate you watching this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope this is something that you've been looking for. Now you have the whole combo with 3 ways to connect to 3 different devices at the same time. So you just switch the buttons here to which device you want to go, and that's it.